up. My mom's at the foot of the bed like this. Oh my God, Jose. You're dying. No, Mom, I'm not dying. I'm snoring. Joseph, Daddy's not snoring. You look like this. Joseph, you have to go to a doctor and get that checkup. I'm telling you, you're going to die, and I don't want you to die, Joseph, because I'll die of heart attack if you die. Oh my God, Joseph, get that. Mom, I'm not going to go to a doctor for snoring. How long will you watch me? That's creepy. And I kicked her out. Get out of here. Get out of here, Mom. I'm sorry, Joseph. I did not mean to startle you. It's just that I was walking to the kitchen and I heard a noise coming from the guest room. It sounded like someone was killing a bear. And I was like, I don't have a bear. So I opened the door and I noticed that it was just you, Joseph. Snoring. So I'm sorry.